Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Webally. So today we will start our first tutorial of Adobe XD 2020 tutorial series. So in this series, I will let you know about all the basics and tips and tricks for Adobe XD and some expertise knowledge about this Adobe XD 2020 and what are the new features this software have and how this software can help you in the designing and development of your website or mobile application. So let's start. In this first tutorial of introduction, I will let you know about what is Adobe XD and how you can download the free plan of Adobe XD, and I will let you know what system requirements you will need to have to download or install Adobe XD on your system. So let's start. Basically, what is Adobe XD and how you can define or you can abbreviate XD. Adobe XD is Adobe Experience Design. Okay, XD stand for Experience and Design. So what is Adobe XD and why we have to use this software? So basically, Adobe XD have three things. Number one, design. Number two, prototype, and number three, share. I will let you know about these three words. So let's start. In Adobe XD, in the design part, we create artboards, our visual designs, and our graphics, etc., and merge them into a one design. And in Adobe XD, what is the purpose of prototype? The purpose of prototype is to combine the designs and make a dynamic look of that design. That if, for example, if in our design there is one button, to integrate that button to second artboard, we create a prototype in it and that work dynamically. So this is the best part of Adobe XD, that we can create our design and also make it dynamic in prototype section. Third, there is a share part. In this share part, we can share our designs. In this third part here, we can share our designs to others very easily. In this, we create a link of for a cloud document, or you can say a simple public link which can be accessed by everyone. So in this, there are some settings that we can create a link for design review, or you can say development link, or just for user testing. Or I will let you know about these in details in my next tutorials one by one. That what is design, what is the purpose of design, what is the purpose of prototype, what is the purpose of share, and how we can use all these three things. Okay, so secondly, I will let you know how you can download the starter plan of Adobe XD. So let's move towards it. Okay, let's go to Adobe website. Okay, here I open the website. I will let you know the link in description. Here in the banner there is Let's XD Together. Okay, there is a button, start for free. Click on that. So when you click on start free, this page opens, in which there is install XD, sign in with an Adobe account. If you already have account, just go and sign in, or sign in with Google. Or if you don't have an account, go and create an account. Okay, so it will ask about your details, etc., etc., etc. I already have an Adobe account, so I just go and sign in with my Google account. Okay, so I just logged in and it asked me to open Creative Cloud desktop app. So if you want to download and install Adobe products on your system, you have to install Creative Cloud desktop app, in which there is all the data of the applications of Adobe in your system. So I already have Adobe XD, so I don't want to install Adobe XD again. So you just have to follow these steps and you will install the Adobe XD free plan. Okay, so it will, so with this free plan, you can have access to all the design material and prototype functionality, etc. Okay, thirdly, I will let you know what system requirements to install Adobe XD on your system. Okay, firstly, you want to have Windows Fall Creator Update, and secondly, you want your system to have 64-bit system, and the version of your Windows must be 1709 or above that. So this is the introduction of Adobe XD. I will let you know about the things Adobe XD and what are the tips and tricks of about this one by one with in detail in my tutorial series. So in the end, guys, I will ask you to go and download the Adobe XD on your system. And so in the later when we upload some more tutorial series related to Adobe XD, so you guys watch that tutorial and learn so many things from that. Okay, so as you all know that lockdown is happening in all the world, and so many issues related to the new disease. So I hope you all guys, so I hope you do not waste your time and just go and install Adobe XD and follow my next tutorial series, and subscribe my YouTube channel so you will get the update quickly of my new tutorial when I upload it. So just go and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will upload the tutorial series soon. Okay, Allah Hafiz.